In the grand theater of naval supremacy, the Nimitz-class aircraft carriers emerge as iconic symbols of American maritime might. Born from the strategic crucible of the Cold War, these colossal vessels are not just ships. They are floating air bases, mobile power projection platforms designed to dominate the seas. Originating in the late 1960s, led by the USS Nimitz, CVN-68, the Nimitz-class carriers represent a watershed moment in naval engineering. Conceived amid the geopolitical chess match of superpowers, these carriers were envisioned to be more than vessels. They are strategic assets, capable of deploying a formidable air wing anywhere on the globe. Their development reflects a fusion of cutting-edge technology and strategic foresight. Named after Admiral Chester W. Nimitz, a luminary in naval history, these carriers are a testament to American naval prowess. They stand not only as engineering marvels, but as floating symbols of power and influence. The purpose of Nimitz-class carriers extends beyond their sheer size. They are linchpins in projecting force, maintaining peace, and securing global stability. These carriers, with their capacity for sustained power projection, have become central to modern naval operations, embodying the United States' commitment to control the seas and safeguard its national interests. The Nimitz-class aircraft carriers, true leviathans of the seas, are engineering marvels meticulously crafted for supremacy on the naval stage. These colossal vessels boast a length of about 1,092 feet, a displacement that can surpass 100,000 tons, and a breadth that spans over 130 feet, making them floating cities of unparalleled scale. Powered by two A4W nuclear reactors, these carriers exhibit a propulsion system that propels them at speeds exceeding 30 knots. The immense power generated by these reactors not only drives the ship, but also sustains a vast array of systems and a formidable air wing. The technology beneath the surface is as awe-inspiring as the carrier's sheer size. Advanced nuclear reactors grant them virtually limitless endurance, allowing them to operate continuously for over 20 years before requiring refueling. This protracted operational capability is a strategic advantage, enabling the carriers to project power across the globe with remarkable flexibility. The carrier's island, a towering structure on the flight deck, houses the command and control centers, symbolizing the nerve center of its vast operations. These carriers are not just vessels, they are mobile air bases, designed with cutting-edge technology to ensure dominance at sea, projecting power, and upholding the United States naval supremacy. Operating a small city at sea comes with its own set of challenges. Storms test the mettle of the crew. The carrier, a behemoth navigating tumultuous waters, demands constant vigilance. The flight deck, where aircraft take off and land in synchronized chaos, is a theater where split-second decisions can be a matter of life and death. Flight operations, especially during combat scenarios, raise the stakes. Precision is non-negotiable. The crew navigates the fine line between urgency and caution, turning everyday tasks into extraordinary feats. Logistics is the unsung hero of carrier life. The ship is a floating island with its own ecosystem. Supply chains are the arteries, providing fuel, food, and spare parts. Replenishment at sea is a daring dance as cargo ships approach for refueling and resupply. Feeding thousands is a logistical feat. Massive galleys churn out meals, medical facilities handle health concerns, and the supply team ensures every need is met. It's a ballet of coordination, ensuring the ship's sustenance and the crew's well-being. Below decks, sailors bunk in tight quarters, creating an environment fostering camaraderie. Shared spaces strengthen the bonds that become a source of strength in the demanding life at sea. In these confined spaces, a sense of community flourishes. The carrier never sleeps. Operations continue around the clock, blurring the lines between day and night. Irregular sleep patterns become the norm as the crew maintains a constant state of readiness. Life on a Nimitz-class carrier is an amalgamation of routine, challenge, and logistical mastery. It's a testament to the resilience and adaptability of thousands who turn the challenges of the sea into a choreographed performance, each playing their part in the grand symphony of naval operations.